Hello, I'm Bob Dickinson of InfoSWMMM, and you are looking at H2OMap SWM, our map info interface to our SWM 5 engine. As always, it uses the same engine as the current EPA SWM and the same engine as InfoSWM. What we're going to show here is the power of the import and export manager. So we're going to go over here to Exchange, where you can import and export SWM 5 or HEC-RAS, but we're going to export, go to Export, and we're going to export CSV files, which will be common as limited. We'll just call them the default junction. We're going to add them all. So now we've made our junctions. Now we can come over here to links, go to conduit, and we're going to make a CSV file. Same idea. Create first row, etc. Next, add all, finish, and we've now exported that data. Okay, now let's come over here and make a new model. So we make a new model. Our model is blank right now, so when we import it, we use the import manager. We're going to import junction first. We're going to skip the first row, which is the titles. Click over here, get our junction, next, and we're going to use the field ID. So since we exported from H2OMap SWM, the variables are the same, but if you were importing from some other program or exporting from some other program, you would just match the labels. So now we import, finish. It's now imported. We now pick the links and now import the links. We conduits here, update existing records, go to next, add them all, so we're adding all the variables, finish, there, now we're done. If you notice, we don't see anything on the screen now, so what we have to do is update, just like in ArcMap, you have to update the map from the database. So we're going to force all network, and there we have our network. What's missing is I didn't export the file, so that's a little bit of how easy it is to import and export CSV files into H2OMap SWM. Next, we're going to do shape files and see how that works. All right, so thank you for listening, and you'll see that H2OMap SWM is a really powerful piece of software by InfoSWMMM that does exactly what SWM 5 does, but because it has things like a scenario manager, facility manager, a lot better graphics in SWM 5, you can do a lot better and more powerful modeling.